Welcome to this presentation on rights of grandparents in children proceedings, recent developments and case law. My name is Stuart Barlow. I have been working in the area of family law for over 40 years. I have conducted most of my own advocacy and have dealt with many cases involving grandparents. As well as the slides, I have included a set of notes to run alongside this webinar, which I hope you'll find helpful. There are about 40 million grandparents in the United Kingdom. 1 in 3 people over 50 years of age are grandparents. It is estimated that 1 in 3 working mothers look to grandparents for help with childcare. It is also estimated that about 2/3 of all grandparents are involved in some kind of childcare on a regular basis. This means that grandparents are often important figures in the lives of their grandchildren. If you've been involved in the school run, you can't help noticing how many grandparents are active in dropping off and collecting their grandchildren from school. When relationship breakdown happens within a family, it is often the grandchildren and their grandparents who suffer on separation. When faced with this situation, a grandparent will often ask, "Where do I stand on this? What are the grandparents' rights?" With so much conflict and emotional distress to deal with, it's often difficult for grandparents to know where to start in terms of maintaining or re-establishing contact with their grandchildren. Let's start by seeing the sort of questions and comments made by grandparents when facing the loss or potential loss of contact or care of their grandchildren. "I have not seen my grandson since he was 5 years old, and he is nearly 12. We used to see him every other weekend, but his mother met another man, married him, and now doesn't want my son to see his son. I do get upset, but I don't want to make things worse.